Hey, if you want to fix your Wi-Fi issue on the Pixel 7 Pro, first you have to open the settings, and I'm going to show you two methods. The first one, you can do this on the network and the internet, going to the internet, and then tapping simply on this icon in the right upper corner. So when you click on it, right now the Pixel will reset all of your internet settings. For some reason it also changed my theme to the dark. I don't know why, it's maybe some kind of debug, but yeah, okay, it just enabled the battery saver for some reason, weird, but that's the first way to fix the Wi-Fi issue. And if this still doesn't work, you can go back, tap on the search pool and type the reset network settings. So it appears right here, reset mobile networks, but of course we have to select first to reset the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. So click to reset, and then you can also do this for the mobile network settings. So click here, tap to reset. Sometimes the issues are also related with the mobile networks, and yeah, that's it. That's the only way that I can recommend you to do when you have any Wi-Fi issues. So yeah, that's all, bye bye.